This is a Roadster. But do you guys appreciate what that actually means? I'll tell you. It means we can take this car on the road, top down.
Its soft top opens all the way in just 15 seconds. And it works up to 50 kilometers per hour. Laser headlights. Double the high beam output, meaning you can see twice as far down the road as with LED high beams.
Ooh, going doors.
Even frameless.
Bi-colored seats. Almost every surface is made from sustainable materials.
Look at that center display, which can be operated via
touch, voice, and the iDrive touch controller.
Very nice, Nikki. Thank you.
That sounds impressive.
No, this sounds impressive. Well, this car really has two sides. On the one hand, it's a born racer. On the other hand, you can go into stealth mode, pure electric driving.
Ready, let's go!
Do you think she'll ever come back?
This time, I'm not so sure.